Summer 2026 Long-Distance Relocation Tips. Why your 2026 summer move needs a bulletproof strategy. With summer being the most chaotic peak season for long-distance relocations, how can you navigate extreme heat, skyrocketing demand, and hidden moving risks to secure a completely stress-free move? To truly pull off a stress-free summer relocation, you need to lock in your logistics early. Best Miami Movers is here to provide the ultimate blueprint. We have seen it all on the road, and we know exactly how to avoid hidden risks during a summer long-distance move. Core logistics and premium features for a safe interstate transition. When dealing with an interstate transition, pricing structures can either save your wallet or totally wreck your budget. To completely eliminate this threat, we provide binding flat-rate moving quotes via Best Price Moving Quotes. You get flat-rate budget security for 2026 summer relocations, meaning zero peak season surprise fees or hidden operational costs. The Best Miami Movers Edge. Why we dominate the industry. Hiring unverified, rogue movers during the high-demand summer months is the biggest hazard of all. You might find a suspiciously cheap listing online, but those freelance crews often hold your items hostage for extra cash. Our Miami full-service summer movers handle the heavy lifting, complex furniture disassembly, and precision loading. We treat your property like it is our own investment. By relying strictly on our verified pros, you bypass the chaos and shady practices of the peak season completely. A successful out-of-state transition is built entirely on upfront transparency and proactive pre-season planning. When you utilize this ultimate 2026 summer long-distance relocation guide, you take total control of your move. By combining our advanced climate defense packing methods with guaranteed flat-rate pricing, Best Miami Movers ensures your 2026 journey is safe, predictable, and fully protected. Get more tips and free moving quote in our website bestpricemovingquotes.com.